Hi, first grades. How are you doing? You're doing great in your comments. I'm very happy with your answers. Thank you so much. Hey, what can you see in the picture? Of course, one of you is going to tell me it's a playground. Yes, he's right. And I have a new question for you. How can you find the playground's area? How can you find the playground's area? And for this picture also, how can you find the chessboard's area? How can you find the chessboard's area? If you don't know, this video is going to tell you at the end. Welcome to our new lesson 13.2, which is area. Area. And in our today's lesson, we are going to talk about how can we use a new formula to find the area of a rectangle. So, what is the meaning of the word area? I'm going to tell you. Area is a number of unit squares needed to cover a flat surface without gaps or overlaps. For example, if you have those figures and you want to find their areas, so what should you do to know their areas? I'm gonna tell you, you should count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Now its area is 15. 15 what? 15 squares. So the number of unit squares for the first figure is 15. 15 squares. So its area is 15. For the second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And plus 8, so it's 16. Its area is 16 square. For the third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So its area is 9 squares. Now, I have a question for you. Could you tell me what is side length for this side? What is this side length? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe it's equal 5 centimeters. Look, according to my counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 centimeters, for example. And could you tell me what is this side length? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. It's a 3 centimeters, for example. Alright. Now, I'm going to ask you another question. Can I name this side? Yes, I can name it. I can choose the word piece. I can name it. Piece. Why piece? Because all figures is sitting on its base. Alright. And can I name this side? Yes, I'm gonna name it height. Why did you choose height, teacher? Because I want you to notice that it's a perpendicular line. It's making a perpendicular line on the base. Can you see a square corner here? Yes, I can see a square corner. It's a perpendicular line on the base, so it's called height. Great. Now I know its length and I know their names. So I'm gonna ask you the last question. When you multiply 5 by 3, what will you get? Great. I'm gonna get 15. It's the area of the figure. Yes, when you use its base, which is 5 centimeters, and its height, which is 3 centimeters, then multiply them together, you will find the area. Let's do it. Let's apply it to the second figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, 8 centimeters, for example. This base equals centimeter, 8 centimeter, and this height equals 1, 2, 2 centimeters. Multiply 8 base by height, which is 2. Exactly 16. So when I use figure base and its height, I'm gonna reach to its area. Excellent. Let's apply with the third one. 1, 2, 3. 3 centimeters here. And its height 1, 2, 3. 3 also centimeters. Multiply 3 by 3. Base by height equals what? Great, 9. 9, which is its area. Its area, 9 squares. Great. Now, when I ask you about when I multiply base by height, I'm gonna find the area. Am I right? Yes. So I discovered a new formula. I discovered a new formula which says area equals base times height. Area equals base times height. Alright, let's complete. What relationship do you see among the base, height, and area? The relationship is the product of the base and the height is equal to the area. Now, write a formula. I want you to write a new formula for area of a rectangle. Use letter A for area. Use a letter B for base. Use a letter H for height. Could you write a new formula? Area equals what? Area equals base times what? Excellent, times height. This is a new formula that we have discovered to find the area of any rectangle. Alright, let's solve some examples. Use a formula to find the area of a rectangle and square. Now I can see a rectangle. Its length or its base. Today we're gonna name it base. We named it base equals 6 feet. And its width, you remember width? Right. Today we're gonna name it height. Great job. Equals 2 feet. So base equals 6 and height equals 2 feet. How can I get the area? Use the new formula. Base times height. So 6 times 2 equals what? Great, 12. So to find an answer, the area is 12. 12 what? 12 squares. 12 squares. Here I can draw 2 rows according to my height. 2 rows. Then I'm gonna distribute them into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 squares. 12 what? Squares. Squares feet. Squares feet. This is my unit. Squares feet. Alright, let's apply example P. I have a square. Its base, here base or here base. The same thing. The same thing. Here base equals 2 meters and its height equals 2 meters also. Great job. Let's apply our formula. P times H. Base times height. 2 times 2 equals 4. So the area is 4. 4 what? 4 squares inside the big shape. 4 squares. 2 here, 2 meters, and 2 here. So there are 4 squares. Square what? Squares meter. Square meter. You are right. Let's practice more. Share and show part. Find the area of the rectangle. If you have a rectangle like this, its base equals 11 centimeter and its height equals 13 centimeter. Let's apply our new formula to get its area. P times what? Great, P times height. And P equals great 11. Height equals excellent 13. 11 multiply 13. When you try to do it step by step, you will find it 143. Great. Now, Let's do another example. Find the area of the rectangle or square. I have a new square or rectangle. I have a rectangle, which is its base equals 7 inches. Its height equals 2 inches. Now I want you to find its area. Area equals what? Base times height. So base equals 7 and height equals 2. 7 multiplied 2. Excellent. 14. 14 what? Square inches. Square inches according to my unit. Inches. Square inches. Question 3. I have a square. Its base equals 9 and its height equals also 9. Now you should to calculate its area. Area equals what? Base times height, teacher. So base equals 9 and height equals 9. 9 multiply 9. Great. 81. 81 what? 81 is square inside this figure. 81 is square inside here. 81 is square inside here. Inside our figure. 81 squares meter. 81 square what? Meter according to my unit. Let's know question 4. I have a new rectangle, which is its base equals 8 feet and its height equals 14 feet. Great job. Let's apply our new formula. Area equals base times height. Base 8 multiply height 14. Let's do it step by step. 14 multiply 8. 8 by 4, 32. 2 and we carry up 3. 8 by 1, 8 plus 3, 11. So the final answer is 112. 112 what? 112 squares, teacher. Squares what? Squares feet. Because my unit is square feet. There are 112 squares inside my rectangle. Alright, let's practice more on your own. Find the area of the rectangle or square. I have a square or rectangle. It's a rectangle. Now, its base equals what? Grade 13 and its height 5. So, area equals base times height. Base 13 multiply height 5. Try to do it step by step. Right? Right. So 13 multiply 5. 5 by 3, 15. 5 and carry up 1. 5 by 1 equals 5 plus 1, 6. So the final answer is 65. 65 what? 65 square feet. Great job. Square feet. Question 6. I have a square. Its base equals 13 and its height equals 13 yards also. So its area equals base times height. Base times height. 13 by 13. Try to do it. I'm gonna take this one as 100, 100. Then I'm gonna multiply 3 by 3 equals 9. And 3 plus 3 equals 6. This is my way to multiply 13 by 13. Great, let's go to the next. Now, could you tell me how can you find the playground's area? Alright, if I label a small area for you like this, then could you tell me what is your way? Yes, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This side length equals 7 centimeters. And this side length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 centimeters here. So its area equals what? Great, 7, which is base times height. Multiply 5, 35 squares centimeter. Great job. You are super. Let's go to the next picture. How can you find the chessboard's area? Now, what is this side length? What is this side length, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, for example, centimeter. And what is this side length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 also, 8 centimeters, for example. So its area, base times height. 8 multiply 8 equals, excellent, 64. 64 what? Squares. 64 square centimeter. Perfect. Finally, find the area of the rectangle, which is 16 feet in its base and 6 feet in its height. If you know the answer, write it as a comment. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.